Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamad.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Ads account with the Google Analytics and how to connect a Google Analytics with a Google Ads account. There's two different scenarios where first step is like where you are going to connect your Google Ads account with your Analytics, and second scenario is you're going to connect your Google Analytics with your Google Ads. So you can access a Google Ads data inside a Google Analytics. And second scenario we have is when the email ID of Google Ads account is same as that of Google Analytics. And the third scenario is where the Google Ads account email ID is not same as that of Google Analytics. There's two ways to connect a Google Ads account. Number one is when your Google Analytics account is using the Google Ads account same email ID. So this is the first case, and the second case is when Google Analytics is using different Google Ads account than Google AdWords account. So this is the case 2. First we are going to learn the case 1, that is easy and quite simple to connect. Then we'll learn the second step, that is how to connect a different email account of Google Analytics with different Google AdWords account. When your Google Ads account is same as Google Analytics account, then first step for you is to hover over the admin, click on link account, click over detail of Google Analytics GA4 Firebase and click on link account and select the account which you want to link here. So let's assume I want to link this one. I'll click on link, I'll click on select this and click on link. And second method is by going to Google Analytics. Once you are inside your Analytics, click on admin. Once you are inside your admin, you need to select your website property, whichever the property you want to add to your Google Analytics. Select that and then scroll down and click on Google Ads link and then click on link. Here you need to click on choose Google Ads account and choose whichever the ad account you want to add here. I want to add my Google Ads Manager account. So I'm going to click and confirm. You have to click on next. Then we have to enable these options. Make sure enable auto tagging is enabled. You can go to this option and click on enable this. And once that is done, click on next. And once that is done, click on submit. Now the Google Ads account is linked with the Google Analytics. I'll cancel this, and now we are going to learn the second case when Google Ads account email ID is not same as that of Analytics. Now currently this is my Google Ads account where there is no option to connect the Google Analytics, and I don't even want to create Analytics with this email ID. So what I'm going to do, I have to give permission to this particular email ID to use or access the Analytics. So I'm going to one of my dashboard of Analytics. Once you log in inside your Google Analytics, then you need to click on admin. And here you'll find property access management. You can give the access via the property wise or you can give the access via the account wise. I'm going to give the access via the property wise. So I'm going to give access for GA4 Go Mahamaya. I'm going to click on property access management. Now I'm going to click on plus access to user. Click on add users. I'm going to enter the email ID, that is rahulhodistal@gmail.com. Once you are done, you need to choose the role access. Currently I'm going to choose admin and I'm going to click on add. Now if you'll go back to your Google Ads account and if you'll refresh, you'll see an option that your Google Ads account is connected and there's an option to link ad account. Now we'll learn how to give access of our Google Ads to the Google Analytics. So I'm going back to my Google Analytics. I'll cancel this and I'll click on Google Ads link. I'll click on link. I'll click on choose Google Ads account. And here I could not see the ad account number 2056, which is linked to rahulhodisl@gmail.com, right? 2056 is not here. So for that, you need to go to your tools and setting, and there inside you need to click on access and security. And if you are inside new Google ad dashboard, then you need to hover over the admin, and then you need to click on access and security. Inside that you'll find positive icon. You need to click on that. Now I'm going to enter my email ID, which is there inside the Google Analytics, and I want to get linked with this 2056 Google Ads account. I'll choose the role admin, and then I'll click on send invitation. Now go to your email address, and you'll see option to accept the account. Once you'll accept, you can get access to your Google Ads account inside the Google Analytics. So I'm going to accept it, click on continue, and now I'm going to my Google Analytics back, and I'm going to refresh it. Again, I'm going to click on choose ad account. Now you'll able to see 2056 ad account to link here. Check this and click on confirm to link your Google ad account with your Google Analytics. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.